Hi everyone, we are going to be talking about time this week. Okay, a clock looks like this and it has two hands on the clock. Okay, now the short hand is the hour hand. Okay, that is the one we're going to look at first for our hour hand. Okay, the long hand is our minute hand. That's going to count all these little dots around the edges. And that is the second hand that we're going to look at. Okay. Now, when looking at our time, we're going to talk about o'clocks and half an hours. Okay? Right now, my hour hand is pointing to the 10. And my minute hand is pointing to the 0. Okay, notice that the minute hand does not count the big numbers. It counts the little numbers right here. So this is 0 minutes. Okay, so we have 10 and 0 minutes, and that is going to be 10 o'clock. Voila, 10 o'clock. We put the hour here, and the minutes go after our two dots. I hope you guys can see that. See? 10 o'clock. Now let's look at 3 o'clock. Okay. Where should my shorthand go if it is 3 o'clock? Did you say on the 3? I hope so. You are right. The short hour hand, it goes on the 3. And the long minute hand goes on the 0. Okay, remember the minute hand are the little dots. So this is 0. Okay, so we have 3 o'clock. Just like you see here, 3 o'clock. Okay. But what if our minute hand moves? Okay. Suppose we want to say that it is 3:30. How is that going to look? Well, the hour hand is not going to be right on the 3. It is going to be between the 3 and the 4. Okay, between. Okay, so there's between our 3 and our 4 for our short hour hand. Right, our long minute hand is going to be pointing down. Okay, down here. Now, when you count all these little dots all the way down here, you're going to count 30 of them. Okay, so that is how we know it is 3:30. 3:30, and we write it like that. All right, let's see what else I have here. Ooh, let's try 11:30. This is a time that a lot of people like to eat lunch. 11:30. I want you to think about where the hour hand is going to be if it is 11:30. Did you say between the 11 and 12? You are right. The short hour hand needs to be past the 11 because has already passed 11 o'clock. But it hasn't gotten to 12 yet. So it's between 11 and 12 for our 11:30. Now, where should I put my minute hand? Did you say that I should put it by the 30? You're right. That's exactly where it should go. So this is how 11:30 would look. And we would write 11:30 like this. We have our 11 first. That's our hour. We have our two dots. I'm going to make them a little bigger so you guys can see that. And then our 30. Voila. 11:30. All right, now we haven't talked about 12:30 yet. So we're going to do 12:30. Where should the hour hand go if it is 12:30? Did you say between the 12 and the 1? You're right. The hour hand is going to go between the 12 and the 1 because it's already past 12 o'clock. But it has not gotten to 1 yet. Okay? And then again, our minute hand is going to stay where it is on the 30. If we count all these little dots, we'll get to 30. And how you write 12:30 is you write first the hour, and then after your dots, you're going to write 30 for our minutes. Hope you can see that. All right, let's do 2 more. How about 7 o'clock? That's a lot of time that people in the evening at 7 o'clock watch TV. So, what should 7 o'clock look like? I'll let you think about it. All right, did you say that the short hour hand is supposed to be on the 7? You're right. For 7 o'clock, the short hour hand is going to be on the 7. Where's the minute hand going to be? I hope you said it would be on the 0. On the 0. There you go. 7 o'clock. Let's see. How do we write 7 o'clock? Well, we're going to start here with our hour. 7. We have our dots, and then we're going to have the 2 zeros for o'clock. 7 o'clock. All right. Now, let's see. What would 8:30 look like? Lots of kids go to bed at 8:30 in the evening. 8:30. Where would my hour hand be for 8:30? Did you say that the short hour hand would be between the 8 and the 9? You'd be right. It is already past 8 o'clock, so it would be past the 8. But it has not gotten to 9 o'clock yet, so it has to be in the middle. Where would the hour hand go? Did you say the hour hand would be on the 30? On the 30? You're right. 8:30 would have the minute hand facing down on the 30. All right, how we write that is we would have an 8 for the hours. We'd have our 2 dots, and then we'd have the 3 and the 0 for our 30 minutes. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. There's a worksheet in Seesaw that has you telling time on the hour and telling time on the half hour. And if you want some more practice, you have a clock at home. Stop every little while and look at the clock to see if you can tell the time. It's great practice. Bye, guys.